Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is R. R is a high-level computer language and environment for statistics and graphics. It performs a variety of simple and advanced statistical methods. It produces high-quality graphics. R is a computer language, so we can write new functions in it. R was initially written by Ross Ihaka and Robert Gentleman at the Department of Statistics of the University of Auckland in Auckland, New Zealand. Hence its name R. R is a free open source software maintained by several contributors, including an R code team of more than 20 programmers who are responsible for modifying the R source code. The official R homepage is www.rproject.org. If we go to this website www.rproject.org, we will download R from CRAN. CRAN is the Comprehensive R Archive Network. So we will select a download site and then download the base package at minimum. We can also download the contributed packages as needed. So this is the website www.rproject.org, and here we have CRAN, and if I click it, I will go to this United Kingdom page, and then when I click it, it will offer me that to which system I want to download, whether I want it for Linux, for Mac OS system, for Mac OS X system, or Windows. I want it for the Windows, therefore I will click this. Here there are different binaries. Base is the binary for base distribution, and contrib is the binary for contributed packages. So whatever you need, you can download from here. And then first read data from other sources, and then use packages and functions. Write different functions whenever or wherever necessary in R, and conduct statistical data analysis. Save output to files and write tables. Save R workplace if necessary. Let's look at R. This is the R editor. Here, when you click it, you will get library mass data. So here you will have different data sets. You can see volcano, warp, breaks, women, etc. So there are different kinds of data sets are there. So if I click cars 93, I will get this sort of the data. So to look at the documentation for a specific function from a loaded package, write down question mark and the function name, or you can write help, and in brackets you can write the function name. To look at the documentation of a symbol, put quotations around the symbol like this, question mark, and then the symbol which you are looking for inside the codes. To search the documentation of all installed packages for keywords, so you can write double question mark, and then in the quotes you can write the keyword. Other way you can write help.search, and in brackets you can write that keyword. List of package with the corresponding package is returned if you write the package, double colon, and function name. To run the example included with the documentation, you can write example. In brackets you can write the function name. There are also demos included with the base system and some packages. To see a complete list of demos in the base system, you can write demo, and inside the bracket you can write the name of the base system. And to run a particular demo, you can simply write demo, and inside bracket you can write the topic name. Suppose we need help with the linear regression function. If we know the name of the function lm but have a question about the syntax, then you can write question mark lm. On the other hand, if we do not know what function to use, you can write help.search, and in brackets inside the code you can write regression. To execute the example, include with the lm, you can write example, and in brackets you can write lm. Suppose we are interested in making a flow chart. After browsing the list of contributed packages on the R website, we decide to use diagram. First, download, install and load the package diagram. So you will install .packages, and inside the quotes you will write diagram and put the brackets around. Next you will write the in library diagram. So list of function with brief description. In the diagram package you can write help package equal to diagram. Thank you.